In this video, you are going to learn how to use Microsoft Outlook to help you with your task management. Did you know that you could use Outlook for more than just sending emails? Let me show you how you can use Outlook to help you with your task management. The Tasks feature in Outlook makes it easy to manage your to-do list. Using Outlook's task list is a great way to get a quick visual of what needs to be done that day or that week. Let me show you the steps of how to create your to-do list. There are a few ways to access your Microsoft to-do list. If you click the check mark on the left-hand side once you open Microsoft Outlook, that will open your to-do list. Here you have a few different categories. If you have any tasks assigned to you in Microsoft Planner, you will see those in the Assigned to Me list. If you flag emails, you will see those in the flagged email list. And if you click on tasks, you will see all of the tasks you have created. You also have the option to create a new list, and another great new feature is the ability to create a group. Here you can create a task group and then drag over any list that may belong in that group. Let me show you how to do that. For example, if I title the group Data Collection, I create a new list titled Week 1. I can take this Week 1 to-do list and drag it into the Data Collection group. And I can continue to create new lists that fall under that bucket, or I can create a new group and create to-do lists that go under that new group. Let me show you how to quickly assign a task if you are in Microsoft Outlook. If you click where it says New Items on the top left-hand side under the Home tab, and then scroll down to where it says Task, it will pop up a separate window where you can easily create a task that will land on your to-do list. So for example, after you've titled your task, you can decide if there's a due date. You can also choose if you want to be reminded of this task that needs to be complete. And you also have the option to repeat this task. Here you can add additional notes for that task. You also can choose to mark a task as important by clicking on the star next to the title. Once that is complete, you click Save and Close. Now if I click on the blue check mark on the left-hand navigation bar and I go to Tasks, you will see the task that I just created here. You will see that it also has the due date and additional notes assigned with it. And if I go to Important, because I clicked the star when I was creating my task, it also appears in my Important list. Once a task is complete, you would just click the circle and it will remove that task from your list. Completed tasks will always live in the completed dropdown if you ever need to refer back to it, and you can always uncheck it to bring it back. Once your tasks are created, there's a few ways that you can easily view the tasks that you have created. One way is by clicking the blue check mark on the left-hand side, but another way is to have your to-do list popping up on the right-hand side of either your Outlook view or your calendar view. You can do that by clicking View, then To-Do bar, and check off Tasks. That will immediately pull up that task list on the bottom right-hand side of your screen. You can also do that if you click into your Microsoft Calendar, and again, View, and then again To-Do bar, and check off Tasks. Here you can then have your tasks right up next to your calendar for the day. A final way that you can review your tasks for the day is by using Outlook Today. Outlook Today gives you an overview of your calendar, as well as your tasks and your inbox and outbox messages. The final thing I would like to show you is if you click on the task itself, a new window will pop open on the right-hand side that allows you to do more with the task. For example, you can add additional steps. You can add the task to a different list. You can also pick a category if you use categories. And you can add a file to the task list. Select the file that you need to attach to that task and then click Open. That file now becomes attached to that task. To avoid clutter and see your tasks that really matter, it's important to review your Outlook task list at the end of each week and update or remove completed tasks. It's easy to forget to update the status of a task or mark an item as complete. So a suggestion would be to put an event on your calendar to remind you to update your to-do list. Now you know how to use Microsoft Outlook to help you with your task management. Stay tuned for next week's What the Tech Tip. See you then.